the issue of the veteran Ghanaian actor Psalm Adjeteyfio, aka TT, and also Miss G, the media personality Miss G. In Sensemo Kodo yesterday, I made you listen to the audio that was trending. That was a conversation between Oya, Miss G, and TT. It was actually a WhatsApp voice note. Yesterday, people were blasting Miss V, criticizing her, chastising her, doing all lots of things, calling her out. Why do you have to put out this information? This was confidential. The man trusted you. That is why he sent you this voice note. Why did you have to put it out there? Why did you have to give it to bloggers? Now, the woman says, I should tell y'all. She says, I should tell y'all to stop tripping. You're tripping. You know that? You're tripping. Well, Miss G has come out to say that no, she wasn't the one who leaked the audio, the voice notes. Well, yesterday, the man at the center of all these brouhaha, Psalm Adjeteyfio, in an interview with Empire FM's Hetilicious, he made mention that people should stop blaming Miss G for the leaked audio. Now, Psalm Adjeteyfio, as TT in movie industry, is urging the public to stop blaming entertainment journalist Miss G for the leaked recording in which the former is heard begging the latter to assist him in getting leftover food. Now, in a recently leaked tape that has hit the internet, Psalm Adjeteyfio is heard in a conversation with Miss G asking some help since times has become difficult for him. However, since the tape came out, Miss G has come under strong criticism by some Ghanaians, blaming her for releasing a conversation that was had in confidence, but she has come out to deny it. Now, speaking in an interview with Empire FM that was monitored by DSGH Online, TT said, Miss G, I don't think would consciously do a thing like that, because this is not the first time she has made, or she has even made an appeal on my behalf. And she has personally held me on a number of occasions and called on Ghanaians not to attack her. Now, he further revealed that Miss G, upon hearing the matter in the public space, has reached out to him, and he is since expecting her to visit, as she already said to her on the phone. So let's go and take a listen to what TT said.
I sat down quietly and taking note of the situation that the whole world has got her eyes and her tongue on the money. So I should be very careful how I use that money. So what did I do? Land has become very, very expensive now where we are, and I hear other places. Right now, a plot of land is costing 3,000 cedis. 30,000 cedis. So what did I do? I bought 2 plots of land and I paid for one cash straight away. I'm yet to pay for the other one. Now, the other one, my son says he would drive. I said, okay. For the past 2 years, he's been to a driving school, and no company would want to employ a greenhorn driver. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They all wanted experienced drivers. So for 2 years, he's been at home, and he was becoming frustrated. So I
How
said
old
to
is he?
myself, he's 31 now.
Okay.
So I said, Then I don't know. I told him, you wait. I believe something will happen. I'll buy a car for you. Meanwhile, I didn't know where the money was coming from. So when it happened, when the vice president gave me the money, I said, hallelujah. After putting the 30,000 cedis in that plot of land, the remaining 20,000, I said, no, this is the time for me to do something for my son so that he won't go on sitting at home. You understand me? So I bought a Ghana used taxi in very good condition for him, so that at least with that he could also start doing something for himself, and then he would gain the necessary experience. You understand me?
Yeah.
So right now he's registered with a station here where we are, and he flies that road. It's not that far, but I told him I wouldn't want him to go to far places, complicated places. He should take his time and then get experience before. I did talk to Miss G. Miss G, because she's been to my house a few times, and I think the first time when I was very sick, and then she came around, and even did after the visit, she did an appeal for help from the public. After that, we've been in touch. Anytime I was in some difficulty, I would call her. Yes, she would help. So on this particular day, I just sent her a message. It was a WhatsApp message. Now, WhatsApp assures us that it is end-to-end encrypting, isn't it?
Yes.
So whatever you say, not even WhatsApp would listen in. That's what we are told.
Yeah.
So I sent her the message, all right. And then I didn't hear from her. So I thought maybe she will be busy or something. But just last night, she called me and she said when I sent the message, she was in Nigeria. And so she sent a message to somebody to see if the person could be of assistance. Specifically, she said she sent it to her husband. So I don't know. Miss G, I don't think would consciously do a thing like that. No. We spoke at length last night. She even promised coming to see me today. So as I'm talking, I'm expecting her. Maybe after talking to you an hour later, I'll call her to find out whether she's coming or not. And I don't think Miss G would come, because this is not the first time. She has even made an appeal on my behalf, and she has personally helped me a number of occasions. So I don't think Miss G would do a thing like that. No, I don't think she would do it. In any case, I don't know how it happened. So what I would say is, please don't attack Miss G. I don't think she would consciously do a thing like that. No, I don't believe that.
The picture from the wedding. So she sent it to someone at the Vice President's office that this and this is happening. This is what Mr. Psalm Adjeteyfio has sent me. He is suffering, blah 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 blah. Now, while this person, after the audio came out, we this person at the office of the Vice President, and the person says he didn't give this audio to a soul. So, who leaked the audio? Now we are looking for the person who leaked the audio. So according to Miss G, she is saying that, well, those who started circulating the audio should tell us where they got it from. Then we can take it from there. Into the year, fan, few on the same there. A posti audio na. Banabe Yuhano and Sana. Well, let's go and then watch Miss G also explaining her side of the story.
Hi, a happy new year to all of you. My name is Miss G. I'm here because a conversation, a voice note for that matter, that has my name in there has gone viral. Now, if you follow my works, you know me, you know that when I do interviews and there's backlash, people call me out, people have reservations, and they voice them out. I never come to defend myself. I never even come to respond to most of them. I just do not think it's necessary because I feel like it's the hazard that comes with the job that we do. Maybe it's the reason it's taking me quite a while to respond to this voice notes saga. Let's go back to 2001 when I got products from some sponsors. I went all the way to Dodowa and even beyond to look for TT. I donated these items or those items to him. I sat with him for a conversation. It was during that interview that he told me that he had heart disease. He had a heart disease and needed help. I put the information out there. Subsequently, I came to you right here on social media to appeal for funds for him. Put his number out there, of course, with his permission. And because you do not know what conversations have gone on behind the scenes, I never came to you to say, this is TT's voice, or this is TT's message to me, this is why I'm doing this is why I'm doing it. I've never done that. And from there, people responded. Subsequently, others went to grant him an interview. It was after that that the Vice President came to his aid. And TT and I have kept a relationship since then, till date. TT sends me voice notes on a regular. You've never heard any of them. TT sends me messages on a regular. You've never seen any of them. I have never come to any of you via social media or personally to say, TT sent me this, TT sent me that. No, it's never happened before. Because I respect the relationship I have with him. I respect his privacy. I never do anything public without TT's consent. Now, back to the conversation that has gone viral. On the 17th of December, I was all the way in Akwa Ibom in Nigeria when TT dropped the voice note that has gone viral to me. It was a voice note. And I sent him a message saying that I wasn't in town and that when I get back to Ghana, I'll address his issues. I came back to Ghana. I began to ask questions because if you heard that voice note that has gone viral, you will hear that he talks about the Vice President's money being invested, yes, and that the Greater Accra Regional Minister's pledge of 1,500 a month came just once, and the minister is not redeeming his pledge. He goes to the minister's office. They said the minister is not available, and because of that, people have refused also to come to his aid. I was worried about it because I know his situation. And so I came to Ghana and I began to ask questions. And then I reached out to somebody who knows somebody in the office of the Vice President to ask questions about what TT's claims are. And this person in the office of the Vice President was vividly worried and said, oh, we have redeemed our pledge to him and this is not going to be a good